What's up everybody, it's me Sergio with Mobility Direct. Welcome back to the channel. If you're shopping for one of the lightest folding power wheelchairs on the market today, you've probably narrowed it down to these two models. The Pride Mobility Jazzy 27X and the Golden Technologies Cricket LT. The truth is, you really can't go wrong with either one. They're both made by two of the most respected manufacturers in the mobility industry. They're both constructed from carbon fiber, they're both airline approved, and they're both designed for people who want a power wheelchair that's incredibly easy to travel with. But after spending a lot of time testing both of these chairs, including putting them through some pretty brutal torture tests, I started noticing some important differences that most dealers simply aren't talking about. In this video, I'm going to explain those differences so you can confidently decide which one is the better fit for your lifestyle. Now, I'm not going to bore you by reading every single specification one by one. Instead, we're going to focus on what actually matters in the real world. Things like portability, comfort, outdoor performance, overall value, and who I honestly think each chair is best for. Then, at the very end of this video, I'll put a complete side-by-side comparison chart on the screen, so you can pause it and review every specification at your own pace. If you'd like a printable version of that comparison chart, just give us a call using the number below and one of our non-commissioned mobility experts will be happy to email it to you free of charge. And if you're still in the research phase, don't forget to request a copy of our free Mobility Direct product catalog. It's packed with mobility scooters, power wheelchairs, lift chairs, ramps, vehicle lifts, and educational buying guides that can help you avoid making an expensive mistake. You can request one by visiting mobilitydirect.com, clicking the green free catalog button at the top of the page, or by simply calling the number below. One more thing, somewhere later in this video, we're going to hide a secret message on the screen. If you're one of the first 50 people to spot that hidden message, you'll get access to claim an exclusive discount code to save big on your next purchase at Mobility Direct. Finally, after this comparison, I highly recommend watching our torture test videos on both of these power wheelchairs. We took them through grass, mulch, gravel, uneven pavement, curbs, roots, and a variety of real-world obstacles that most reviewers would never even attempt. If you're wondering how these chairs actually perform outside of a showroom, you're definitely going to want to watch those videos next. With that said, let's start with the category that's probably the biggest reason people are considering either one of these chairs in the first place: weight, portability, and travel friendliness. Both the Jazzy 27X and the Cricket LT were designed from the ground up for people who travel. Whether you're loading it into the trunk of your car, taking it on a cruise, flying on an airplane, or simply storing it at home, both chairs are incredibly easy to fold and transport. They're both made from carbon fiber. They both fold into a compact package in just a few seconds, and they're both approved for airline travel with their TSA-compliant lithium batteries. So regardless of which one you choose, you're getting one of the easiest power wheelchairs to travel with. Now here's where things start to get interesting. The Jazzy 27X weighs 27.5 pounds without the battery, which is already incredibly impressive, but the Cricket LT takes it one step further. Its base weighs just 25.8 pounds without the battery, making it the lightest premium folding power wheelchair we've tested to date. Now, I know what some of you are probably thinking. Sergio, we're only talking about a couple of pounds. And you're right. For some people, that difference won't matter at all. But for others, especially if you're loading your chair into the trunk several times a week, even a couple of pounds can make the difference between lifting it comfortably or struggling every single time you go somewhere. What impresses me even more is that Golden Technologies didn't achieve that lighter weight by making the chair weaker. In fact, the Cricket LT actually supports 300 pounds, while the Jazzy 27X is rated for 275 pounds. That's genuinely impressive engineering. Normally, when manufacturers reduce weight, they also reduce weight capacity. Golden somehow managed to build the lightest chair in its class while increasing the maximum user weight. Another thing I want to point out is loading these chairs into your vehicle. A lot of people assume they're going to have to deadlift the entire chair into the trunk. You don't. There's a little trick I've shown in previous videos that works on both of these models. Instead of lifting the entire chair, simply place the front wheels onto the edge of your trunk first. Then use the wheels as a pivot point and roll the rest of the chair inside. It's much easier on your back. And once you learn that technique, loading either chair becomes surprisingly manageable. So while both of these models are excellent travel companions, I have to give the edge in portability to the Cricut LT. It's currently the lightest folding power wheelchair in its class. It actually supports more weight than the Jazzy 27X, and it's just a little easier to lift when every pound counts. Now let's talk about comfort, because if you're planning to spend several hours at a time in one of these power wheelchairs, this category is just as important as portability. The good news is, both of these chairs are surprisingly comfortable for products that weigh around 30 pounds with the battery installed. They both have quality seating, flip-up armrests, and plenty of room for everyday use. But after spending time driving both of them, I do think one chair has the advantage, and that's the Cricut LT. The first thing you'll notice is the seat cushion. Golden Technologies equipped the Cricut LT with a thick gel cushion that, in my opinion, is one of the most comfortable cushions available on any lightweight folding power wheelchair today. If you're planning on spending the day at Disney World, an airport, a cruise ship, the zoo, or simply running errands around town, I think you'll appreciate that extra cushioning after several hours of sitting. The Cricut LT also gives you a little more room. It features an 18-inch wide seat and supports up to 300 pounds, while the Jazzy 27X has a 17-inch seat and a 275-pound weight capacity. That extra inch may not sound like much on paper, but it can definitely make the chair feel a little more accommodating, especially for larger users. One feature that almost nobody talks about, and honestly one of my favorite design details on the Cricut LT, is the armrests. When you flip them up, they're completely out of the way. There's no diagonal support bar left sticking up like you see on many other folding power wheelchairs. Why does that matter? Because if you're transferring into the chair from a bed, couch, vehicle seat, or another chair, having that entire side completely open makes the transfer noticeably easier. It's one of those little engineering details that you probably won't appreciate until you actually need it. Something I want to point out about the Jazzy 27X is the rounded edges on the top part of each armrest. Most dealers don't think about this, but carbon fiber tends to stick to your skin when it's hot out, especially when the armrest surface is flat. Flat carbon fiber armrests can even cause irritation during longer rides. The Cricut LT also has rounded tops on the armrests, but the Jazzy 27X armrests are a bit more rounded on top, and that makes a big difference in comfort. Something else that I love about the Jazzy 27X is the mesh backrest. It's perfect for those hot and humid summer days because it allows air to flow through to your back and helps reduce sweating. The Jazzy also has a generous footplate that gives your feet plenty of room, and overall, I think it feels just a touch more rigid and solid when you're driving it. Again, we're talking about small differences, not night and day. Both are premium products and both feel exceptionally well built. But when I combine the larger seating area, the incredibly comfortable gel cushion, the completely unobstructed flip-up armrests, and the overall comfort during extended use, I think the Cricut LT earns the edge in this category. Now, if comfort gets you through a full day of sightseeing, performance is what gets you there in the first place. If you've watched our torture test videos, you probably already know where this category is headed. While both of these chairs are designed primarily for travel and everyday use, I think the Jazzy 27X has the edge once you leave smooth pavement behind. And honestly, that surprised me. Most lightweight folding power wheelchairs struggle the moment you get onto soft grass or uneven terrain. The Jazzy 27X didn't. During our testing, we drove it through soft grass, mulch, uneven pavement, pavers, curbs, hoses, and all kinds of obstacles that most owners will probably never encounter. Time after time, it kept impressing me with how capable it was for a chair that only weighs about 27.5 pounds without the battery. One of the biggest reasons for that is its 3 inches of ground clearance, which is significantly more than the Cricut LT's 1.25 inches. That extra clearance makes a real difference when you're crossing uneven sidewalks, driveway transitions, pavers, tree roots, or other everyday obstacles. The Jazzy also has slightly softer caster wheels, and even though it doesn't have suspension, I think they help smooth out the ride over rougher surfaces. Now, that's not to say the Cricut LT performs poorly. Actually, I came away pretty impressed with it. For being the lightest folding power wheelchair in its class, it handled gravel, grass, tree roots, and rough terrain much better than I expected. In fact, one of the things that surprised me most was just how smooth it felt, despite not having suspension. I think some of that comes from the carbon fiber frame flexing ever so slightly, which helps absorb some of the bumps you'd normally feel, Where I think the Cricut LT starts to give up a little ground is when the terrain gets more challenging. The lower ground clearance means you're simply more likely to contact obstacles underneath the chair, especially if you're crossing larger transitions or rougher paths. Now, I also want to be fair and point out that both of these chairs have limitations. Neither one is designed for driving on the beach, neither one is designed for deep sand, and neither one is intended to climb steep, grassy hills. In fact, during both of our torture tests, we eventually reached terrain that neither chair was designed to conquer. That's completely expected. These are ultra-lightweight travel power wheelchairs, not off-road machines. If your typical day involves shopping centers, airports, cruise ships, sidewalks, neighborhoods, and the occasional park or baseball field, both chairs are going to perform very well. But if you regularly find yourself crossing grass, mulch, uneven pavement, or rougher outdoor terrain, I'd give the advantage to the Jazzy 27X. It simply feels a little more rugged and inspires a bit more confidence when the pavement ends. Now we've covered portability, comfort, and performance. That leaves one final question. Which one offers the better overall value, and which one would I personally recommend? So after spending a lot of time with both of these power wheelchairs, which one would I buy? Honestly, I don't think there's a wrong answer here. Both the Jazzy 27X and the Cricut LT are premium products from manufacturers that have earned excellent reputations over the years. Pride Mobility and Golden Technologies both provide outstanding customer support, replacement parts are readily available, and both companies back these chairs with excellent warranties. So whichever direction you go, I think you're getting a quality product. With that being said, if my parents called me tomorrow and asked me which one I would order for them, I'd recommend the Golden Technologies Cricut LT, and there are several reasons why. First, it's currently the lightest folding power wheelchair in its class. At just 25.8 pounds without the battery, it's incredibly easy to lift. And for many people shopping in this category, every pound matters. Second, despite being lighter, it actually supports 300 pounds, which is more than the Jazzy 27X. That's a huge accomplishment from an engineering standpoint. Third, I think it has the more comfortable seating experience. The jail seat cushion is excellent, the slightly wider seating area gives you a little more room, and I absolutely love the unobstructed flip-up armrests because they make getting in and out of the chair much easier. And finally, it's also the less expensive of the two. When you combine the lighter weight, higher weight capacity, more comfortable seating, easier transfers, and lower price, I think the Cricut LT simply offers the better overall value for the average buyer. Now, does that mean everyone should buy the Cricut LT? No, if I knew you were someone who spends a lot of time outdoors at parks, campgrounds, festivals, county fairs, sporting events, or anywhere you're regularly crossing grass, mulch, uneven sidewalks, or rougher terrain, I'd probably steer you toward the Jazzy 27X instead. Its additional ground clearance gives it an advantage in those situations, and after putting it through our torture test, I walked away genuinely impressed with how capable it was for such a lightweight power wheelchair. So here's how I'd simplify it. If your priorities are lightweight, comfort, easy transportation, value, and everyday travel, I'd choose the Cricut LT. If your priority is getting the most outdoor capability possible while still owning an ultra-lightweight folding power wheelchair, I'd choose the Jazzy 27X. Either way, you're getting one of the best lightweight folding power wheelchairs on the market today. Now, before you make your final decision, I highly recommend watching our torture test videos on both of these chairs. Seeing them tackle real-world obstacles tells you far more than any specification sheet ever could. I'll put those videos right here on your screen. Again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.